article writing and internet marketing. When it comes to internet marketing, there are very few tools that are quite as good at generating more traffic for your website than writing articles. If you are looking for a simple way to achieve a higher rank, look no further. Writing quality articles that are rich in content will not only help direct more customers to your site, but also make sure that those same customers keep coming back. When writing an article, you should consider what your goals are. There are many ways of using your article to obtain traffic, such as announcement lists, Ezine Publishers, blogs, forums, etc. If you are looking to generate the maximum amount of traffic that you can to your website, then you will want to follow a few guidelines. Keep in mind, when writing an article, most sites require at least 250 to 300 minimum words before submission. You need to be careful of how many keywords you use in an article. Read into the SEO, search engine optimization, rules. You need to have the proper keyword density without making the article sound like spam. Search engines will filter out articles with a keyword density that is too high, keeping your article from becoming too popular. Remember, it is also imperative that your article's title be unique in order to gain its own status on the web. As long as your article's title is not too general, and there are no other articles on the web with the same name, you can easily track how popular your article is becoming by typing the title into a search engine surrounded by quotations. Writing quality articles will generate more traffic from around the world, help you obtain a higher rank, and ultimately help you increase your profits. So what are you waiting for? Start writing articles today.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.